it's literally a great deal to find some great pieces for Christmas. Hello, Black Friday is really around the corner, so get your deals, honey. Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Milie, aka Milie Me, and if you're a new subscriber, you're gonna love it here. And if you're a returning subscriber, much love to everyone that's tuning in right now. Love you guys all for tuning in. It means a lot to me and my channel. As you can tell by the title already, I'll be doing an unboxing, initial review, a little everything of this watch here. And if you do follow me on Instagram, I will be posting outfit inspirations with the watch, so look out for that. Make sure you follow my Instagram. It shall be in the description below and somewhere on the screen. I'm already excited to open this bad boy up. Let me find the scissors real quick. Be using a kid scissors. Yes, this is all I have at the moment, okay? Do not judge me. It gets the job done, okay? It'll be getting the job done. I'm excited because the watch looks super gorgeous. I literally fell in love with this specific watch because it gives like everyday aesthetics. Like you could wear, I was really feeling for a watch that I could wear every day. So when we open the box up, this is what it looks like initially. So we got the protection, okay, and then we got the invoice. Okay, so this is the box. We took it out the box. Nothing else is inside the box besides the invoice and the watch itself. So the watch that I got in Philosopher, 36 mm, silver, 5 link. It'll also be in the description box of what watch that I got. So this watch is $244 originally. So it has this little string here. And like, just look at the detail. It just shows like it's a clean aesthetic. I really love it. It's not doing too much. It says the logo on the front, Nordgreen, and it has like a little tree in the shape of a diamond. It's just, and it's also at the bottom. Okay, got my makeup on it already. Can never do white. So we're just gonna pull this. Okay. Oh my god, so this is the first thing you see, the watch, and then it has extra links in case it's obviously too small. I know I have a small wrist, so I'll probably be removing it. So yeah, I took the watch out fully, and this is just the initial. It's just so clean and cute, guys. Absolutely love this. Like, oh, this is so gorgeous. On top of the Black Friday sale, which is 40%, you'll be able to use my discount code, which is 15%. So you can use Milie and you'll be able to get 40% off on top of 15%. So that's basically 55% off. Look at the links. I like how it's like, you can see like the difference between the middle and then the outside. It's just super cute and clean. This is ASMR right here. How satisfying was that? With 15% off, you can not only get this watch, you could get off eyewear to all types of jewelry. A wide range of Scandinavian designs that are selected on their website for the Black Friday sale, and all of the latest autumn fall pieces of 2022. So as early as the pieces from this season, the code will apply to. So it's literally a great deal to find some great pieces for Christmas. Hello, Black Friday is really around the corner, so get your deals. Christmas coming up, birthdays, Valentine's Day. You already know the 3 major holidays is coming up. Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, and Christmas. Actually 4 New Year's. 55% off, yeah, to the end of November. And you can get a lot of the top rated products with my 40% discount code, so go banonkers. Every watch that's sold, you get to choose where you want to donate a portion of your money to, so that's also valid. I'm still doing ASMR, removing the plastic before I put it on. Okay, I got all the plastic off finally. All right, let's put this bad boy on. I have it on. I'm gonna have to take a link off. I have the smallest wrist. It complements my jewelry already. It just gives a clean aesthetic. It's just such a clean girl vibe. I definitely have to remove a link. Thank God there's a hardware store, or I believe that's what they're called, right? The people that fix the shoes, they do a little bit of everything. I think you're called hardware store. The ones that make the keys. Yeah, I'm gonna go to him. He's right by my house. I'm gonna remove, I think 2 links would be best. And the middle links just give it like it just adds to it. It adds a dimension of not a flat level. Like it just take a look for yourself. It just gives it that pizzazz. Like once I get that link removed, it's really it's up for this. Like I'm wearing this every day. This, y'all, this is that everyday watch. Like when you want to set a tone that, you know, a watch is a statement piece that just says, this morning I got up time to get ready, have my watch on, I have my complimented jewelry on. Once again, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I definitely will be posting pictures with the watch to show you how I style this watch. It's definitely going to make a debut on Instagram with a couple fits. Absolutely love it. And the best thing about it, you're making yourself look good and you're helping the environment by tonating. Oh my god. And on the side of the box here, I did not even notice, it almost slipped my eyes, but there's this little envelope. So that's how you know it's luxury, okay? When you get that authentication code number. I got mine. I'm not gonna expose mine. I'm just reading it. I'm skimming it. The watch is water resistant. Yeah, you can wear it in the rain, period. I'm so weak. It says, please do not eat any parts. Is your watch water resistant? Yeah, it's given luxury. I love that. It's just absolutely gorgeous. That's all for today's video, guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you love this video as much as I love making it. Later, much love.